If you're using Kit, formerly ConvertKit, to send emails to your subscribers and you haven't set up domain authentication yet, this video will walk you through the full process. We're talking SPF, DKIM, and DMARC, the 3 records that protect your domain from spoofing and make sure your emails actually land in the inbox. You'll need access to 2 things: your Kit account and your domain's DNS settings. Log into your Kit account. Click on your profile in the top right corner and go to Settings. In the left menu, look for Email. Then find the Set up your verified sending domain button and click it. Enter the domain you want to send from. This should match the from address your subscribers see when they receive your emails. Kit will now show you the Verify Your Sending Domain screen with all the DNS records you need to add. You'll see 4 records in total: 1 CNAME for SPF, 2 CNAMEs for DKIM, and 1 TXT for DMARC. A quick note on SPF. Kit handles it via the CNAME record, but because Kit uses its own return path domain when sending on your behalf, SPF won't achieve DMARC alignment. That's completely normal with Kit, and not something you need to fix. DKIM alignment is what carries your DMARC compliance here, and it's exactly what the next 2 records take care of. Head to your DNS provider, Cloudflare, GoDaddy, Namecheap, wherever your domain is managed, and go to DNS settings. You're going to add 3 CNAME records. First record, SPF. Copy, type, CNAME, name, value. Second record, DKIM. Type, CNAME, name, value. Third record, DKIM2. Type, CNAME, name, value. Save all 3 records. Quick note, if you're on Cloudflare, Kit has an automatic option. Just click Set this up for me on the screen, and Kit will add all the records for you automatically. Saves a few steps. Now for DMARC. Kit does provide a basic DMARC record, but it has no reporting email attached to it, which means you'd be flying blind. You won't know if your domain is being abused or if any legitimate emails are failing. So instead, we're going to generate a proper one using PowerDMARC's free DMARC Record Generator. Fill in your domain name. For the policy, select P-None. This is monitor-only mode. Nothing gets blocked yet. It gives you time to review your traffic before moving to enforcement. Add your email address in the reporting field. This is where your DMARC aggregate reports will be sent. Click Generate. You'll get a TXT record value that looks something like this. Copy that value, go to the DNS, add a TXT record. Once done, save. Go back to your Kit account and find the domain you just set up. Click Verify Records. You can see my verification failed right now. That's okay. We just added the records. DNS propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes to 24 hours. So if it doesn't verify immediately, wait a bit and try again. I'm updating the page a few moments later. And you can see the domain is now verified. To double check, I will use PowerDMARC's Domain Analyzer to confirm all 3 records are live and configured correctly. My domain health score is only 35%. The thing is that we haven't configured all the records like BIMI, MTA-STS, or DNSSEC. We're looking for DKIM, pass. DMARC, policy detected. SPF shows a misalignment here. That's expected with Kit and not something you need to fix. DKIM alignment is what carries your DMARC compliance. If anything shows an error, go back to your DNS and double-check the record values. No extra spaces, no typos. And that's it! Your domain is now authenticated for Kit. Your subscribers are getting emails with a verified signature. your domain is protected from spoofing, and you're in a good shape for deliverability. If you want to go further and get a 100% domain health score, move to DMARC enforcement. Set up other email security protocols like BIMI so your logo appears in the inbox, and monitor your authentication reports regularly. If this sounds complicated, sign up with PowerDMARC and we will handle it all for you.